How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and I'm going to show you guys how to reset your Solo 4 headphones. It's very easy to do, so the pairing steps are very simple. We have a video for that as well. But once you're paired, if this is paired to another phone, it won't allow you to pair to this device separately and may cause some issues with your Bluetooth. So you want to reset the headphones so that way you can repair them to another phone. The easiest thing to do is just to hold on to the power button for about 20 seconds. And you'll see an indicator on the left hand side start blinking red, and what you'll see there is it'll reset the headphones and allow you to repair to your phone. And pairing to your phone is very simple. All you gotta do is just power it on and put your headphones next to your iPhone or Android device, and to reset it, I'll show you guys the process. So first thing we'll do is we'll just hold on to the power button, and you guys will see on the left hand side right here the indicator light is flashing away. And once you guys see it flashing a few times with the red, then you know the item has been reset, and they'll allow you to repair to any new device without having any issues. As you guys see, it just blinked red and white a couple times, and there we go, we're back in a pairing mode. So that automatically, once you're done with the reset, it puts you into a pairing mode again. You'll take your device, you'll put it next to your phone, as you guys will see here, putting it next to our phone right now, and you'll see the Solo 4 is popping up. I put my device next to it, click the connect button, and now you've reconnected your Solo 4 headphones back to this specific iPhone or your Android device. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it. Please like and subscribe so we can keep growing the channel. Thank you very much.